Hello, fellow financial enthusiasts. It's a pleasure to have you here today as we embark on an exciting journey into the fundamentals of investing. Whether you're a complete novice or someone looking to brush up on the basics, this video is tailor-made for you. Today, we're delving into a comprehensive exploration of 8 key concepts that will serve as your compass in the vast world of investments. Now grab your notepad because we're about to break it down in a way that's clear, concise, and, most importantly, jargon-free. This isn't about Wall Street wizardry. It's about equipping you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions with your hard-earned money. Without further ado, let's go. Let's dive into these essential concepts that will lay the groundwork for your investing journey. Number 1. Unlocking the depths of understanding. Risk, navigating the heartbeat of your investments. In the vast tapestry of finance, we commence with a profound exploration of risk, a fundamental concept that serves as the pulsating heartbeat of your investments. Envision this metaphor. Just as a heartbeat signifies life, risk animates your financial ventures, bringing both vitality and unpredictability. To navigate the intricate landscape of finance, it is imperative to not only acknowledge this heartbeat, but to truly comprehend its nuances. Risk, in the realm of investments, transcends mere chance. It encapsulates the delicate balance between potential gains and losses. It manifests in multifaceted forms, from the unpredictable undulations of market dynamics to the nuanced intricacies of credit, inflation, and interest rate risks. Understanding your risk tolerance becomes paramount, akin to gauging the resilience of your financial heartbeat in the face of market fluctuations. Much like a skilled conductor orchestrates a symphony, you too can harmonize risk and reward. Delve into the risk-return trade-off, intricately balancing the pursuit of lucrative opportunities with the safeguarding of your investments. As we embark on this comprehensive journey, we'll explore risk management strategies, dissect emotional risks, and draw wisdom from real-life examples. Remember, navigating the heartbeat of risk isn't merely a skill, it's an art, and mastery lies in continuous learning and adaptability. Join me as we unravel the layers of risk, transforming it from a daunting force into a dynamic catalyst for financial growth. Number 2. Embarking on our journey into the intricate world of risk, let's meticulously dissect its diverse facets. Market risk. Immerse yourself in the dynamic rhythm of financial markets, where uncertainties and fluctuations create an ever-shifting landscape. Credit risk. Navigate the delicate terrain where borrowers and debts intersect, exploring the potential scenario where a borrower may falter in repaying financial obligations. Inflation risk. Witness the ripple effect of rising prices as we explore how inflation can erode the purchasing power of your investments, demanding a strategic approach to wealth preservation. Interest rate risk. Venture into the nuanced realm where the ebb and flow of interest rates can influence the value of your investments, shaping a profound understanding of how rate fluctuations impact your financial portfolio. This comprehensive exploration of risk types ensures you're well equipped to navigate the intricate dance of financial uncertainties. Number 3 on the exploration of risk tolerance is akin to assessing your heart's capacity for excitement in the financial realm. This profound journey demands a thorough introspection, delving into your ability to withstand uncertainty and market volatility without compromising your peace of mind. Our guided self-assessment is designed to equip you with the necessary tools to identify and comprehend your unique risk appetite. Similar to understanding your body's physical limits, grasping your risk tolerance involves recognizing the emotional and psychological boundaries that shape your financial decisions. Join us in this insightful exercise, where we meticulously unravel the layers of your risk appetite. This empowering process aims to fortify your ability to navigate the ever-changing seas of investment with confidence and poise. By the end of this exploration, you'll not only understand the intricacies of risk tolerance, but also appreciate how it forms the bedrock of your financial decision-making. Join our journey towards financial self-discovery and cultivate the resilience needed to steer confidently through the dynamic landscapes of the investment world. Number 4. Navigating the intricate world of investing is akin to orchestrating a symphony, where risk and reward harmonize in a delicate dance, mirroring the rhythmic ebb and flow of a heartbeat. Delve into the profound concept of the risk-return trade-off, a strategic compass guiding you through the labyrinth of financial decisions. Balancing risk and reward is an art, where the pursuit of lucrative opportunities is seamlessly interwoven with the imperative of safeguarding your investments from potential downturns. This delicate equilibrium involves understanding that higher returns often come with elevated risks and vice versa. In our exploration, we'll provide you with the tools to discern this intricate balance, empowering you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Join us on this enlightening journey, where the symphony of risk and reward becomes a melody of strategic and calculated financial moves. Number 5. On the fortification of your financial health, akin to nurturing a healthy heart, our exploration dives into the realm of risk management strategies. In this comprehensive journey, we'll unravel the intricate layers of safeguarding your investment portfolio. Brace yourself for a deep dive into the art of diversification, strategically spreading your investments to shield against potential downturns. We'll also explore the science of asset allocation, ensuring your resources are strategically deployed across various assets to optimize returns. Moreover, discover the invaluable tool of setting stop-loss orders, acting as a financial CPR to swiftly intervene and protect your portfolio from significant losses. Join us on this enlightening odyssey, where these risk management strategies become the guardians of your financial well-being, ensuring your portfolio remains robust, resilient, and ready to weather any storm. Number 6. On the intricate journey of investing, we invite you to recognize that it's not solely a matter of numbers. It's a psychological odyssey. At the heart of this expedition lies the emotional roller coaster, a pivotal aspect that demands our utmost attention. Join us as we intricately navigate the complexities of emotional risks, unraveling the profound impact that emotions like fear and greed can have on the decision-making process. We delve into the psychological elements woven into market sentiment, influencing the ebb and flow of financial landscapes. Mastering emotional risks goes beyond conventional financial wisdom. It's about achieving a zen-like calm amidst the turbulence of the market. Our aim is to equip you with insights and strategies that fortify your emotional resilience. This ensures that the decisions you make are grounded in reason, rather than succumbing to emotional whims. Embark on this enlightening expedition with us, where the mastery of emotional risks becomes your key to navigating the ever-changing currents of the financial world with grace and composure. Join the journey, and let's navigate the psychological terrain of investing together. Number 7. On a captivating voyage through the rich tapestry of financial history, where theoretical concepts come alive through riveting real-life examples. Immerse yourself in the depths of historical market events and crises, gaining profound insights into how astute investors navigated through tumultuous times. These real-world narratives serve as invaluable case studies, offering tangible lessons in the intricate art of managing risk across a spectrum of market conditions. Join us as we glean wisdom from the experiences of those who weathered financial storms and emerged stronger. These compelling stories are not just accounts of resilience, but are also reservoirs of practical knowledge. They provide you with the tools needed to navigate the unpredictable currents of the financial world with confidence and resilience. In this immersive exploration, history becomes a guide, illuminating the path forward and empowering you with the foresight to make informed decisions in the face of uncertainty. Join our journey through financial annals and let these tales shape your understanding, fortifying your ability to thrive amidst the ever-changing landscapes of the financial realm. Number 8. In the dynamic realm of finance, the landscape of risk is a shifting tapestry, and our exploration doesn't end here. Join us as we delve into the imperative of continuous learning, a cornerstone for any astute investor. Discover the vital importance of staying informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and emerging economic landscapes. We'll unravel the significance of adaptability, showcasing how continuous learning fosters the agility needed to thrive amidst market fluctuations. Just as a healthy heartbeat demands ongoing care and attention, so too does your investment strategy. This insightful discussion will empower you with the tools to evolve alongside the financial markets, ensuring that your financial heartbeat remains robust and resilient in the face of the ever-changing winds of the economic landscape. As we conclude this enlightening segment, you're now equipped not only to comprehend the intricacies of risk, but also to embrace it as an integral aspect of your exhilarating investment journey. Fasten your seatbelts as we navigate this insightful exploration, unraveling the profound significance of risk, the very heartbeat propelling your financial endeavors. Your journey doesn't end here. To continue delving into the nuances of investment strategies, risk management, and market insights, stay connected with our community. Engage with us by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. What risk-related topics would you like us to explore next? Your feedback guides our content. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this exploration valuable, subscribe for more in-depth insights, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Let's make those heartbeats count together on this thrilling investment adventure.